Hello everyone! Hi, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. Hope everybody is having an awesome, fantastic day. And today we are doing boxycharm. I think I'm late to the game. I don't know. I haven't been feeling well the past couple days, and then my husband decided that since our perimeter drain was done, that he's going to start working on downstairs, building some more rooms and stuff like that. So it's just been construction, bang, 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 and it's like in between all the rooms that I usually film in, so I haven't really had a chance to get a video done, so yeah. So I'm kind of behind, but that's okay. You guys love me anyways, right? So I did peek a little bit, just a little bit, and I gotta say this is probably my least favorite box out of all of them that have come. I feel like they don't know me. They don't know me personally, do they? There's a few things in here that are just, you know, I don't even know if the average person would wear every day, so I'll save that item for last, so stay tuned. I'm gonna say my first and my battery's flashing. Of course it is. Yeah, that's my fault. Anyways, let's see if we can get this done before the battery dies. My first and favorite thing out of this box, which pays for the box, so how mad can I be, is, wow, look at that, it's beautiful, is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Cleansing Conditioning Cleanser. I feel like a kid is going to interrupt me. Maybe not. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's a fairly good sized bottle. I still am using my Tula from FabFitFun that we got a couple months ago, and I'm really liking that, so I will use this, but just not right away. I don't like to change up my my face routine too often. I find my face is like yeah, right. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not mad about this one. This is my favorite. I like Glam Glow. I have lots of their products and they never break me out or anything. If you don't know what boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription, $21 in the US. We pay a little bit of shipping, exchange, blah blah blah, and it comes to like 30 something dollars. So, excuse me, indigestion. You really have to evaluate for you if it's things that you were going to use, so take that into consideration. This month is making waves, and yeah, I'm guessing like this next item is kind of where they got their inspiration from. Now this one is kind of I'm kind of iffy about. It is by LMR Cosmetics, and apparently it was from somebody who actually worked for boxycharm and decided to go into the business of making cosmetics. So mine is in Fair to Light, and this is a blush. Oh, I wish I could. Oh, there we go. Kind of blinding ya. Blush. It's not my colors that I generally wear. It's definitely very, very peachy, and as I'm blinding myself in my eye, I find not a lot of people can pull off this peach. So they should have thought of that, because yeah. Again, in my profile, I want neutrals. I like neutrals. So this is Dose of Color. And it's a really nice brand. Nothing against them. It's just that color. Not my thing. So you may see this in a future giveaway. I decided I am not opening any more lipsticks for the next year because I have insane amount, and I'm not a big lipstick person, so yeah. But that is what the bottle looks like. I mean, it's really nice. That's a nice glass, but it's not me. It's nice, but it's so not me. Let's see if I can get through this. I got 2 more. Hold on, battery. Hold on. Now this one I'm not mad about. This is by Ciate London. It is an eye luster cream eyeshadow. Now, I've mentioned in other videos, I don't like liquid eyeshadows. Not my thing. But this is one of the things I opened up and I did swatch. It looks purple in the bottle, but it's not when you swatch it. So I'm bad at swatching. I suck. Let's do it here. I mean, that is highly pigmented for me to do that twice in the same spot, or different spots. And I did leave it on there for a while just to see how much fallout. I find if you blend it, it did have a little bit. I didn't end up with some sparkles, but overall it's really pretty. I'm actually quite happy about this. So this is my item here. Like, yeah. By Bodyography. This is the 2nd month in a row that they've sent me an eye pencil that sucks. That color I will never use. Ever. Not my thing, never will use it. So that's what it is. I will save that for a future giveaway too, because not my thing. So, glam glow I like, and the eye stuff I like. So I did get my money's worth, but I feel like, why didn't they like look at my beauty quiz thing? Because then I wouldn't have things in here that I didn't like, because there was other variations that I could have gotten. So yeah, let's just go through prices if my camera can hold out. The Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser was $28. The LMR was $22, which seems pretty reasonable. Oh, nice fill over again. Sorry, I might edit that one out. Or give you a laugh, one of the two. Ciate London, the eye cream is $22. Maybe a little bit overpriced. The Dose of Colors is $18. Okay, my camera obviously died. I didn't make it through all the way. I had some problems. I had a few problems. So I recorded this morning, and then I had plugged it in for a few hours. So apparently, I forgot that you have to turn it on off to charge the battery. But because I had, like, it had died in the middle, I didn't even think about it. And then when I went to go get it, I hadn't charged yet. And I can't find my spare batteries. So then by the time it actually ended up charging, my husband came home and decided he's going to start banging downstairs and start on the reno again. So now here I am, late at night, later than I want to be awake, to finish what I was saying, like the 5 seconds that I need to say it. Oh, I'm so tired. So tired. I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, yeah. I've already had some wine too, so that doesn't help either. Okay. I think I was at the Dose of Colors. That was $18. Seems so stupid. And the Bodyography pencil is $14. $14 for liner seems ridiculous. And yeah, so because it's super late at night and I recorded in the morning, I was able to wear this all day long. And it does say on the bottle, no, sorry, on the box, that somewhere on this box. Oh, right there. It's fallout free. It's what it says. Just so you know, I'm not lying. It says it right there. Yeah, so it ended up everywhere. Like, everywhere. And obviously, remember, because it was a few minutes ago for you, but I had done a swatch right here. I'd done 2 swatches. And for some reason, it stained purple on the second swatch. And then this swatch never dried down. I made sure I gave it enough time, and it just went like, it went everywhere. And then so I like made sure I like tried it on. I didn't put like a setting spray on after, so I could try it with that. But yeah, it did have fallout. It definitely had fallout. And oh yeah, I probably look different too. I'm sorry about that as well. My husband suggested that I, because he's actually working on a room for me, for like a makeup room and change room and stuff like that, that I should, since he's doing like the construction side, that I put together the IKEA furniture. And if you've ever done IKEA furniture, well, you know my frustration level is like up here. I was sweating and drenched during and after it. So a lot of my makeup's run off, so that's probably why I look different too as well throughout the day. And again, my lips are so very chapped that everything's kind of worn off and stuff like that. Anyways, if you stayed through this whole thing, you are an amazing person. I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. It's really late. It's late. It's late. For me, this old person, it's late. Anyways, so and this is box variation 1. I don't know if I said that before. But yeah, I was disappointed. Some people really like their box, and those people are like, I don't know, do you wear crazy stuff every day? I don't. So that's why I was disappointed in the pen. The eye pencil. Right? Eye pencil that says define your lips. They made a boo-boo on that. So yeah, I was definitely disappointed in this box. I've seen sneak peeks of next month's, and hopefully next month's is good. I don't know. I am thinking that could be my last month with boxycharm. I don't know. I'm on the fence. So, anyways, I'm so sorry. I apologize. I don't know. This whole video. Yeah. Anyways, so I am going to say goodnight to everyone, and I hope your day went really well. And yeah, stay tuned because I got some other crazy videos coming up with me. Can't help it. Sorry. Alright guys, well, have a good night and we'll see you later. Bye!